Hi, students. Let's get started with the subject Our Wondrous World, Unit 2, Chapter 4, Getting to Know Plants. So many kinds of plants. Gopu, Simmi and Raj walk to school every day. On the way they see beautiful flowers, mountains and streams. One day, Gopu exclaimed, "Isn't nature just amazing? There are so many kinds of plants, birds and insects. I wonder if they all have stories to tell." Simmi agreed, "Yes, the plants come in so many sizes and shapes, very tiny, small, large, bushy." Raj added, "Thin and curvy, straight and tall." Gopu said, "Some leaves are rough and some smooth. I love to touch and smell them." Simmi said, "Look, this jamun tree has nice thick and shiny leaves. Isn't it your special tree, Raj?" Raj agreed, "Yes, it is. You remember its tiny white flowers? And remember the little green fruits, which in a few days turned red and then purple? We enjoyed plucking the ripe purple fruits from the tree." Simmi smiled, "It's such fun to walk under the cool shade of these trees." Trees have a big trunk of wood and many branches that spread out with leaves on them. Trees have roots that go deep down into the soil. Trees, mango, coconut, khejdi, jackfruit, banyan, amalthas, peepal, chinar. Shrubs, all plants don't grow tall like trees. Look at this plant with pretty red flowers. It doesn't have a big trunk like a tree, said Gopu. Instead, it has many brown, woody stems, added Raj. These bushy-looking plants are called shrubs. Our tulsi plant at home is a shrub, informed Simmi. Hibiscus, rose, holy basil, tulsi, curry leaf. Shrubs are medium-sized plants with several woody stems and branches growing close to the ground. Herbs and grasses, we have mint and tomato plants at home. Their stems are soft and green, said Raj. My grandmother told me that plants with tender stems that do not become woody are called herbs, added Gopu. Simmi pointed to the grass. Look at all these different grasses. They too have soft, green stems. Their leaves are long, thin and flat. You're right, Simmi. Do you think grasses are types of herbs too? Enquired Gopu. Herbs, mint, tomato, coriander, mustard. Grasses, wild grasses. Herbs are smaller plants with soft stems that do not become woody. Grasses are types of herbs. The leaves of grasses are thin and flat and their stems are hollow. Watch for different kinds of grasses around you. How many kinds do you notice? Climbers and creepers, look. There is a vine winding up this tall tree, exclaimed Raj. Gopu agreed, wow, yes. My friend George has a money plant in his house. I was surprised to see how it spreads upwards. It looks like it is slowly climbing the wall. Simmi explained that the money plant has a long and thin stem. It cannot stand up by itself. If it finds nothing to climb on, it just creeps and spreads on the ground. The pumpkin plant is also like a creeper too. I saw it spreading its branches on the ground, said Raj. Climbers and creepers have thin and flexible stems. The plants that grow by climbing on other plants for support are climbers and the plants that grow by creeping along the ground are creepers. Some climbers even take their food from the plant on which they climb. Climbers, money plant, jasmine, bottle gourd. Creepers, watermelon, pumpkin. Leaves smell different from each other. I have noticed that tulsi, coriander, curry leaves, mint and lemongrass all have wonderfully different smells, Raj told Simmi. Simmi told Raj, Have you ever rubbed a mango leaf and smelled it? I love the smell. Raj added, this conversation reminds me of the lovely smell of mangoes. My brother is not able to see, but he can immediately smell any fruits nearby, like mango, pineapple, jackfruit, guava, or jamun. Parts of a plant. While learning about plants, we use the names of many parts of plants, like roots, stems, leaves, flowers, fruits, and seeds. Let us now look at a picture of a tomato plant and carefully observe the different parts. Example, tomato plant. Thanks for watching.